Hi, Greg Perry here in the Conservation Studio in Pennsylvania. Just a quick short here showing you I'm working on a mid-Atlantic states, particularly a New Jersey clock, central New Jersey. We have some really premium grade mahogany, cross-banded in the front. Typical somewhat of these New Jersey clocks. They have some kind of obscure inlay, actually some whimsical. We have some corners almost emulating quarter columns in the lower turtle. And we have a little arrow down here. Obviously this guy has French feet. The feet have been taken off, or I think they've been cut down back several years ago. Remanufactured the French feet. And here I'm doing an inlay. So I've milled a 1/4 by 1/8 inch strip. I'm going to inlet it in to the groove, the original groove. And this is out of beech to match the original wood for the ornamentation. In addition, all of this wood, all the veneer on the front of this has been lifted. As you can see, we're still under clamp here. And literally, we're just seeing a massive glue failure here after about 270 some years. So anyway, that's just a short update on a very important clock case from New Jersey here in the studio. Thanks so much.